Today, we're turning sightseeing into a game.
So, we are in Riga, Latvia. Miren qué bonita esta ciudad. This is such a spectacular city, guys, that you have no idea. But no, we wanted to do something different today. So we asked
ChatGPT
how we can discover the city in a different way.
and we decided to create our own scavenger hunt. And we don't know what's coming next. All we're gonna get is the first clue, and then once we solve that one, we'll move on to the next one. So come along with us as we try something different, something you can do, something free.
Just stay and discover with us this spectacular city called Riga.
First clue. I'm black and sly. I stand on high with arched back and piercing eye. My tail points towards those I despise. Find me on rooftops, a feline surprise. Where am I? Okay, so we're finding something, a feline, so it's a cat. And this city is known for cats. So let's walk around, see if we can't find it. We're gonna get a map out actually.
Exacto.
We'll get a map out.
Exacto.
Then...
Vamos a buscar un mapa first.
Sí.
Let's get a mapa first. Oh, we are improvising with you guys. Bueno, conseguimos el mapa. We found the map, guys. And I'm excited because I love maps.
And the good thing about it is it's got all the historical sites. So I think if you pick up a free map, it gives you another opportunity to search.
Does it show anything about cats?
No, I don't see anything about cats.
Okay. Yesterday, someone was telling us something about like a house that has decoration of a cat. We are going to walk around the houses first to see if we can find the house
And keep our eyes
of the
peeled.
cat. But we found an armadillo, if that helps.
Okay, using only the map to do this, which is gonna make it more challenging, we found something that's called the cat house. Sounds like the right answer.
I don't know why I'm feeling that it's literally in front of us people. O sea, there is a house that is very big, but it has cats in the top. Pero we have to say that in Riga, everything has cats. You can see that one in the top, you have a cat.
Is this it?
And you have a cat.
First clue.
Okay.
Correct, nicely done. The first stop is the cat house in Riga's Old Town.
Okay, we found it.
All right.
Okay.
Built in 1909, it's one of the quirkiest Art Nouveau buildings in Riga, and Riga is known for its Art Nouveau. The legend says a merchant, angry at being excluded from the Great Guild, placed the black cats on the roof with their tails pointing towards the guild as an insult. That's pretty funny. Awesome. And now it's like a famous place to see.
It's a cute animal, so I don't know why they chose cat.
It's the cat's butt.
Ah, it's a cat butt, so it's something...
It's cat's butt. All right.
Okay.
Next one, clue 2. We guarded the trade with might and pride. In Gothic halls we did reside. A building grand with statues tall. A merchant's guild house known to all. Where am I in Riga's Old Town? Guild house.
Guild house.
We're gonna have to look for guild and see what we're doing there. So let's say goodbye to the cat house and see if we can't find the guild house. Second clue, we found a place called the Great Guild. And so we're gonna ask if the Great Guild is right.
Okay.
It says close guess, but not quite the one this riddle's pointing to. Think bigger, flashier, and covered in statues. The most famous guild hall of all in Riga's Old Town. It's a different one.
Okay, it's a different one.
Okay.
So
journey
that is
continues.
not
So
with statues, but this is a super pretty
plaza.
O sea, what a beautiful city. We have to stop like every 5 minutes to take pictures.
Everywhere you turn, the colors, it's very underrated, very underrated.
And the flowers. What about the flowers? And what about my boyfriend? What about my boyfriend?
Vamos.
We keep looking.
Scavenger hunt pause. Time out. It's people basketball.
We give like 2 different buildings to ChatGPT and he was like, no guys.
We tried the Great Guild, we tried the small guild house. We're getting closer though, we're getting warmer.
And he's like, forget it, keep checking. So we are just like walking beautiful cities,
Another plaza.
beautiful plazas, and that's it. Apparently we will find it.
Third
La
time.
tercera va la vencida. Yeah?
So here's the thing, we got stuck and we went to 2. They're both wrong, small guild, the big guild. So what it did now is it gave us like an extra tip of like a famous facade on postcards here, and this is one of the famous postcards, so we're gonna check this one.
A ver, yo creo que es esta, porque this is the only one that is like in everywhere. ¡Lo conseguimos! esta es the Blackhead House. We made it, people. We made it. The second clue is done. And let's see what ChatGPT said about this building.
It was built in the 14th century as a guild hall. There's your tip. For the Brotherhood of Blackheads, a group of unmarried foreign merchants in Riga.
See, one of the clues was like it has a lot of sculptures. And it's true. It has a lot.
It was a guild hall.
Okay, now the third one, it is.
I've stood for ages, round and strong. I watched the city all day long. I hold no bells, though I am tall. Cannons once roared from my wall.
So we played cannons and it's not, o sea, it shouldn't be a church.
It's not gonna be a church.
So I think it's going to be this one, that it doesn't look like a church, but it looks something that protects the city. The power.
It's the powder tower.
The powder tower.
Sounds powder.
Let's see.
Cannons. Let's see.
A ver, put it on before we start to walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did it.
It was the powder cannon.
The third one, miren dónde está in the map. It's like so close to the river and the park. And it's so cool, isn't it?
It's actually one of the few surviving parts of Riga's medieval fortifications dating back to the 14th century. A lot of it got destroyed in World War II. It's originally part of the city's defensive walls. So
wow.
it used to be part of the original walls.
Makes sense.
Really cool.
Ready for the fourth
Going
one?
to the next one, clue 4.
Clue 4.
A gate once closed, now open wide. Through me you'll find the other side. Look for teeth above the stone and search for faces carved in bone.
Okay, it has to be like a gate to the city.
Yeah. Okay.
The map. We made it.
It's the Swedish gate.
Sí, lo logramos.
See, built in 1698, it's the last remaining gate from Riga's medieval fortifications.
Wow.
Legend says it was used as a secret passage for Swedish soldiers during the Swedish rule of Riga.
How fantastic, fascinating is this corner. Look at that.
Yeah, it's really cool with the walkway above too.
Uh-huh. The grass is so clean and so organized.
Really cool with the cannon in front.
Sí. Bellísimo, bellísima esta ciudad. Such a beautiful city.
Next clue.
Uh-huh.
We stand together side by side. Through centuries we've never died. One is oldest, plain and small, but together we outlast all.
Okay, has
We
to be like
outlasted all.
two buildings or
Two
something
buildings.
that is like confronting to each other.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's check.
Go check them out. All right, we made it. We decided to look on the map and try to find something that's pretty old here and things that were
exactly
together.
like 3 buildings.
So we found it was the Three Brothers house. One of the oldest of the 3 dates back to the 15th century, while the other 2 were built in the 17th and 18th century. And each house has a different like architectural style: Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque.
Okay, we made it. We passed the test.
There's a bonus. It gave
It's
us
a
a bonus.
bonus.
But since this is a bonus, I think we should go see.
Yeah, we saw also on the map that there is a 13.
castle.
A ver. Yeah, the 13 was a castle. And as we are so close, because it's less than a block, we are going to go to the castle, show you that, and then do the bonus.
Yeah, we'll do the castle and then the bonus.
It's not in the scavenger hunt, but we needed to come porque this is the castle. And it's actually the presidential house now. So pretty cool. Yeah, and it's neo-classical medieval castle. Okay, let's go to bonus.
Let's go. There's a bonus myth
Okay.
legend stop.
Okay.
A rooster guards the skies, and from the spire it spies. He crows when mischief comes near, standing watch year after year. Where am I? Is this that thing everyone touches?
Ah, yes. There's like 3 things that
It's
we
like
saw
I
yesterday.
know there's a bird on it. and
Yeah,
there's a
it's true.
pig.
Okay.
I don't know what it's called,
Let's
so
check.
we're gonna walk over there and see.
Okay.
It's like this cool statue. We walked by last night just when we first got to go for a walk, and they were trying to do like some weird thing touching it, so maybe we'll find out more.
Who knows?
All right, it's been.
We thought it was this one. But
Thought it was a sculpture, but actually it's not. But for us, luckily, it's that. It's the famous rooster on St. Peter's Church. And so just a little history about it. The golden rooster weather vane sits atop the spire, keeping watch over Riga's Old Town. And the legend says it protects the city from evil spirits and mischief. If it ever falls, bad luck becomes.
Sí, bueno, I hope it doesn't fall
Yeah.
while we're here. But I think that is very curious is this sculpture that is actually the one that has been more como photographic in the whole city, and it represents like a symbol of the city.
It's really cool. It's like the Brothers Grimm fairy tales. And then the city of Bremen, Germany gave them a copy. It's like a friendship.
Like a friendship symbol.
But what's cool is it's like these four animals that decided to go out and venture on their own to become musicians. So this statue is known as the Musicians of Bremen. But here in Riga, they have a little bit of a folklore to it. If you can jump and touch the top feather above the rooster, good luck in your life.
So, Mati is going to do it for us. Vamos, Mati. A ver si lo logra. Let's see if he made it. Vamos, Mati. He's waiting for the picture. Let's do it. Woo! We made it. So we have good luck.
Good luck.
Okay,
Anyway,
people.
I hope you enjoyed the scavenger hunt. It's really fun. It took us about 2 hours.
Yeah.
But we
Alright.
had a really good time. So we hope you enjoy. Please follow, subscribe. It really helps us out. Leave comments. And if you want to know more about the scavenger hunt, message us, leave a comment, and we'll send it to you, the prompts.
Thank you for following us, and we love you guys. Mwah.
Till next time. Ciao. Don't forget to hit that bell. Subscribe. Follow us.
Sí, no se olviden de seguirnos y dejarnos todos sus comentarios.